Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with the phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you're listening to music in SoundCloud or Spotify or your browser. Firstly, remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to check for updates for this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it, and update if you haven't, the last version. If it didn't help you, I recommend it to open EDIFIER Connect application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the application. Then check right here any information about update. I have the last version, so I have nothing. Also, what can help you is to restart your device. So I use it with my phone, I should restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart a tablet. If all of these methods didn't help you, you need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. At the bottom we have connectional button. You need to press 3 times at this connectional button and this LED light on the front side start blinking white. 1, 2, 3. So it now performing a factory reset, and after that it start flashing red and white, like what I have right now. So it means that it's finished to factory reset your phone. Then we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. To do this, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on your Bluetooth. And you will see these earbuds at the device list. Then you just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!